The next game I would like to teach you is the exact opposite of the first one I gave in my earlier video. So this one, or the game on this board game, that will be called Perdigana. And Perdigana in our local parlance means to feed somebody else and make them eat deliciously what you are giving. That is the literal explanation, but the real thing about that is you have to let your opponent consume your pawns so that you will be the winner. That's just the point of it. So let's go to the video. The next game that you are going to learn is, I called it the donation. And the reason is that the first opponent whose pawns will be consumed is the winner. It is the exact opposite of the other game I introduced you, where if the opposition's pawns were consumed, the winner is the one with pawns that are left behind. But this time, it is the opposite. So just to review the movements and the capturing, the movements of this pawns here is one is square at a time, to the left or to the right. So just like that. Now to capture a pawn, the opposite pawn of the other player must be in front of this pawn here before it can capture going over that. Or you can choose which pawn can go over there. So that's how it goes. Another form of capturing pawns is that, for example, this one is there and this one is there. Okay, you watch this. So this pawn here can go over here. This opposite pawn here from this side can have the ability to capture it going that way. This will be an agreement between the two players whether this pawn can capture this, because there's another rule where if both players agree that it will not capture this, it can only capture the one that goes in front of it, then that is that. But for this game, we will allow capturing going this way. Okay, so here we go. So remember, the rule is the first player whose pawns are consumed is the winner. Who will move first? Toss coin. So let's say it is this player here who will make the first move. So again, this will this is done by making the first move like this. Then this one will choose which one he will let go. So it could be that this one will go here. Let's take that. There we go. So this is a preserved thing to be used offensively later on. There you go. So here we go. Okay, that's just how it went. You just keep on feeding it to the opposite players. Here we go. Then there. So just capture it and capture and capture. Then this one will go over here. Then this one will place his pawn here. There you go. Now that this reach either of these four squares here at the end part of the board game, when this pawn reaches this space, it becomes a king, and it has the power to move at any spaces it wants to. So like here, it can go this way, that way, or it can go from here until there, or from here until there. So from here, here. So any object or any opposing pawn placed in front of it will be a victim or will be captured by this king. So since this one was promoted to a king and with a purpose, this one will now utilizes the power of this king against its own. So it will go like that. So it will capture 1, 2. So these are eliminated. Then this one will place his pawn over there so it can capture that. So there, 1 and 2. Then this one will have his pawn here, there. Then this one will have his pawn here, over there. Okay, so we have one movable pawn and one pawn there that is not moving at all. So this one, will have to make use of its forces to be able to make use of this as an offensive weapon so that this one will be consumed. That is the king, remember? Then it goes this way, okay? So there is no other move except here or here. So let's see. If it is here, the same. Okay, let's see. Let's move it this way. So to have it be used offensively, feed it this way, then it goes that way, eliminating that. And then this is now a king, so meaning to say it can also capture many of the pawns so that are available or placed in front of it. So this time this is the one that will move. It will go over here, and you see the power, 1, 2, and then 3. So these are all captured. Why did it place this one here? Because if it is here, this one will place it there and it will be captured. But this one has other things in mind. Remember that one there. So it will move this way offensively, turning this automatically into a king, and then taking this one. So there are 2 kings now on the part of the smaller tiles here. 2 kings against 1 pawn. This time, because it captured that, this one will move over there and then goes over there. So against 1. So let's see what happens. Of course, this one will be happy to move this way, and this one will be happy to go that way, and then there. Let's see. Of course, there's no other move. Even if say it goes here, it's just prolonging the pain. There you see, it goes there. If it was here, the same. If it was here, the same. So all it has to do is to prevent that from happening. Let's see. Okay, so maybe you do like this, and then you go like that. Okay. Why did it not take it like that a while ago here when this was here? Because it will be placed over here. You see that? Wait. Do you see that? When it was here a while ago, there. If it takes that, then this one will eliminate that. So this one wisely placed the where did it place it? Something like this maybe. Okay, so this one goes there, and all it has to do is place that there, and then it will be there. See that? And then this one, this king here, will go over here, and that is eliminated. Who won the game? This guy, because there is one king that is left from the opposing force. So that is the game that is called Perdigana, or I call that one donation. Thank you for watching. Share this video to somebody else who needs it, so that they will also be kept busy in the mind, so that there will be more construction of the cells through neuroplasticity, and at the same time, so that these COVID moments will be conquered in a more happy way.